Hello guys, this is Rupa Yadav. I come to share my some medical related videos to understand easily about my study material which I prefer to this channel. If you like my channel, please press the like button. If you have any doubt, keep some comment on my comment box and press the bell icon and also subscribe my channel. Today I will discuss about lymphedema, hereditary or inflammatory. But before this video, I will make a previous video which I uploaded. There will be already discussed about lymphedema, its causes, treatment, prevention, diagnosis, and sign and symptom. So now in this video, I will explain lymphedema in hereditary or inflammatory condition. You know your body 60% water and have a wondered where it might think and it's blood because the blood is liquid and certain inside your arteries and veins, but actually your blood only contain the small of friction may of the structure of the body like a internal organ and your skin, your eyes, and made up of cells, and most of the water on your body is either inside the cells around the body do the good job keeping in the fluid and inside the cells at constant level, but image around your cella cannot be damaged, and your veins and your lymphatic system work in constant to remove excess fluid from the tissue. If a close up and if a there impairment either lymphatic system fluid can close up in this extra cell and fluid species in a particular. If you have impaired your lymphatic system and excessive fluid of the chronic swelling known as lymphedema. To understand how and blocks its happen, meet and talk about circulatory system. Your heart, your arteries, and your veins, and in a lymphatic, when your heartbeats are in a contraction and it's create at high pressure, the arteries, which are the vessels carrying oxygen rich blood fluid of the body, and since as a artery made of cells, the high pressure can actually push all components of the blood like flood out through your between the cells. Now this will be the host to us a problem because fluid will be a leak out of your arteries and accumulate to the accumulation lead to cause edema, swelling of the body, amaze and prevent to fluid borne its happening body adopt a transport system and called lymphatic system. They help maintain fluid bonds in this lymphatic system consist of lymph capillaries which are located just blood of skin, and then the lymph capillaries almost everywhere in your body and pick up the extra fluid. The capillaries join together into a large lymphatic vessels, and those vessels merge into our bigger one. The automatically turn the lymphatic fluid to the circulatory system of a large veins in your hearts. Now along the back circulatory system, the fluid passes through lymph nodes which detoxify detoxify that fluids, helping in body and accumulate the infection bacteria and pathogens may become charged in this fluid which accumulate in the tissues. And even this wondering how lymphatic system work would help the lymphatic system to prepare fluid through the entire just body like a circulatory system does with the arteries, veins, and another this question and Want to answer this question, let's important to understand the lymphatic system works by pressure as well, just a lower pressure than the generated by your heart. The muscles contract daily actively is perform leading pressure in the spaces to contain the fluid and contain fluid to pressure. The muscles contraction facilitate movement into the lymph capillaries which will collect fluid as well as larger protein and toxins. Then the basically fluid is collect in capillaries and prepare for wonder action for lymph vessels that which contain one way valves during your own body movement by the small contraction occurring around lymph transport vessels. And now may generally we see that the lymphedema would you have a probably functioning of the damaged lymphatic systems and fluid toxins grow up in your system. And let's talk about the different way of lymphatic system become damaged. First of all about we can simply be born in a defective system. This is known as a congenital or primary lymphedema. The next more common in the most of the defect time, sometime it's defectures small and the body can overcome in proper time as well as of the don't bodies as officially the lymphedema can dissolve. Lymphatic damage cannot be caused by the cancer and the cancer treatment, radiations and chemotherapy, accidents or surgeries which can disrupt resulting scarring or removal of the lymph node. Another important cause of lymphedema is a Crohn's venous insufficiency or CVI. CVI occur in the veins or obstructed, impaired, or unable to carry the blood and fluid back to the heart. In us, this is the actual leading cause of the lymphedema. So important understand the veins are the part of the system carrying fluid back to the heart, and CVI reduces the fluid of the veins and can transport the lymphatic system, can help and collects as much of the fluid as can. The lymphatic veins small compare the veins it too much fluid as a can the most lymphatic system can overcome walls, and if left untreated its skin can become hard, damaged, which can also damage lymphatic capillaries, creating irreversible lymphedema, and this makes the hope probably even worse. The build up of third or a lymphedema can lead a serious health problem because the protein become a breeding grows become a bacteria when it's sitting a stagnant in a tissue of the body. When this happens, skin infection known as cellulitis are more likely to occur. The present of the fluid can also be occur. Skin to harder and thicker. The conditions known skin fibrosis. So let's say lymphatic system has been compromised, and what we do here, you keep third is building up once tragedy is a it's a help of a vessels carry the fluid in a way, since muscles contractions help lymphatic in a vessels carry fluid. Exercise one way to improve the performance the bone pharynx and get fluid are in the tissues. But are the other methods such as application of the manual lymphatic drainage, compression stocking, bandaging, pneumatic compress, which can be increase the pressure in the lymphatic capillaries in making earlier for fluid to transportable veins and lymphatic vessels. In instance, where the damaged lymphatic system leave the some lymphatic vessels intact. Numeric comprises device like a flexi touch system from tactile medical use to stimulate the actively those remaining lymphatic vessels. The flexi touch system is only a numeric compression device clinically proven to stimulate the lymphatic system instantly squeeze lymph to like a tube in the toothpaste. Flexi touch eases gently dynamic pressure to encourage fluid more into through rising help in a lymphatic vessels. The flexi touch system has been clinically proved to reduce the process and hardening thickening of the skin, and has also been proven to reduce skin infections such as 79% of lymphedema is uncurable conditions. So now effectively imaged gets prognosis worsen with the time damage as early as possible is important. Understanding how lymphatic system works, where you can use how stimulated and manage your condition in a great steps towards help your life. Now I will discuss about the hereditary lymphedema, or we can say as a birth. Hereditary lymphedema, that is a primary lymphedema, swelling that result from abnormalities in the lymphatic system that are present from the birth. Single affected by the limb, several limbs, genitalia, or the face may be swelling, and sometimes diagnosis prenatally by a knuckle scan or postnatally by lymphocytinography in the coming form Meigs disease that were usually present at the puberty. The hereditary lymphedema is a Mallory's disease caused by mutation in the BEGER3 gene. Hereditary lymphedema is a frequently syndromic and associated with the Turner syndrome, lymphedema, Distichassis syndromes, yellow nail syndromes, Klippel-Trenaunay, Wegener syndrome. Genetic cause by hereditary lymphedema is a GATA2 deficiency. The lack of this deficiency causes a common defect like a familiar or sporadic inactivating activating mutation in the one of the two parental GATA2 genes. The autosomal dominant mutation causes a reduction, that is a happy insufficiency in the cellular level of the gene's product GATA2. The GATA2 protein is a transcription factor. Critically, we can say the embryonic development, maintenance, and functioning of the blood forming lymphatic or lymphatic forming and other tissue forming stem cells. The mutation cellular level of the GATA2 are deficient, and individual develop over time hematological, immunological, lymphatic, or other disorder. The deficiency of GATA2 induced defect in the lymphatic vessels and the valves underlines the development of lymphedema, which is primarily located in the lower extremities and also occur in the other places such as face or the testes, that is hydrocele. Deficiency when coupled with a sensorineural hearing loss, which may also be due to faculty development of the lymphatic system, is a sometime Embrager syndrome. Primary lymphoedema has incidence of the approximately 1 to 3 births out of every 10,000 births, with a particular female preponderance to male ratio 3 is to 5 is to 1 in North America. The next incidence of the primary lymphedema is approximately 1 is to 15 births out of every 1 lakh births compared to secondary lymphedema. Primary lymphedema is relatively rare. And next, that is inflammatory lymphedema. Now we are discussing about the inflammatory lymphedema, that is the bilateral lower extremity inflammatory lymphedema, that is BLEIL, is a distinct type of the lymphedema occurring in a that sitting in a acute prolonged standing, such as in a new recruits during basic training. That underlying mechanism are thought to be venous congestion and the inflammatory vascularity. Thank you.